Right, Honorable Speaker. Personally, I also need to extend out to you as an individual and the colleagues. Right, Honorable, you took over the medical bills of my daughter when I could not, and then even after, with that, yeah, it was a lot of money, what they call money. So, personally, I appreciate. But also, on a political note, Right, Honorable Speaker, you formerly worked as a lecturer at MOBS, and our own Musoga, Dr. Professor Balunywa, they are witch hunting him because they are saying he illegally recruited two staffs whose names are not being shown anywhere. Me, what I know, this is a selective application of justice. Right, Honorable Speaker, of recent they had just selected you as a second member. Please, this could be political so that they see how you will revamp part of the Musogas who are your own. Right, Honorable Speaker, Musoga gave you a lot of votes for sake. Do us a favor and come to your rescue. Balunywa has not done anything.
Thank you, Honorable.
Musoga, it is really, this is too bad for us. Basalirwa, Mariam, we all come from Musoga. Let us join voices and we rescue Balunywa.
Honorable Panado, I like the way you can smuggle in something. I thought you're on communication, but the issue of Professor Balunywa is being handled. It's being handled. Yes, it's being handled. Yes, he wants a clarification.
Rt.Hon Speaker, I want to thank you, and I want to thank Honorable Panado for raising this issue. Rt.Hon Speaker, we understand Professor Balunywa will be coming back to court on Friday. But the issue he raises is significant in the sense that the manner in which Professor Balunywa's charge sheet was amended at the bar, and yet all this time they've been wanting him in court, speaks of volumes. I think it is important for us to ask these people in positions of authority to stop abusing government institutions. You cannot be looking for a person.
Honorable Basalirwa, this issue is in court.
There is nothing sub judice about this matter. Those who are saying it's sub judice, you don't know the rules on sub judice.
Basalirwa. Honorable Basalirwa. Actually, I expected you to come and give me a feedback. I assigned you a duty yesterday. I don't know why you are coming on the floor instead of coming and we discuss. I gave you work yesterday to go and sort it out. No. Stop being irresponsible. You want to think you're more attached to Balunywa than me? I am more attached to Balunywa. Next item.
Your communication, Madam Speaker.
Okay, Lob. When you abuse my goodwill,